Hi there, how's it going? Hope you all are doing great today. I'm also feeling better. In this video, I'd like to introduce with all of you with the manager of Tutorial English School, Noyan Bai. So, Noyan Bai, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. You?
I'm also fine.
Okay.
Can I ask you some questions?
Of course.
Okay. Which country do you like most?
I like Brazil, Spain, Germany.
Okay. Which game do you love to play?
I love football.
Um, which team do you support in football?
My favorite team, Brazil.
Could you please tell me the names of five players of a Brazil team?
Okay. Neymar, Kaká, Ronaldinho, Ronaldo, Roberto Carlos.
Which club do you like in Europe country?
My favorite club, Real Madrid.
Okay, so guys, that's all for today. Thank you for hearing us with patience. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.